July 24th, 2012. Core drilling. The old Turner and Watering property on Main Street, across from the accountant's office. Have you ever noticed that AutoZones and Advance Auto stores seem to build close to each other? In Kingwood, there's one just across the street catty corner from the AutoZone and Advance. September 30th, 2013. The old Turner house is coming down. AutoZone is going up. Equipment moved in this morning, and the house is coming down fast. September 30th, 2013. This piece of equipment's breaking the limbs down and pushing the trees over at the AutoZone site in Kingwood, making a lot of progress in one day. October 1st, 2013. The morning update on the tearing down of the Turner house. Kitchen, gone. It just took a bite out of the roof on the side. The guy repurposing the bricks is standing by. October 2nd, 2013. A load of pipe has arrived. Wood from the property loaded into a dump truck. A large load of wood. And it's going to be repurposed. At the end of the day, they loaded Magic Concrete's truck with a load of topsoil as the driver sat and watched. 36 degrees, snowing really big snowflakes. Looks like white tissues floating through the air. The construction crew for AutoZone's working in the snowflakes. November 5th, 2013. The concrete stairs that had been buried years ago when the Watering house was tore down to make way for sale of the property. Now, years later, it's the new site for AutoZone. The concrete stairs were being broke into smaller pieces to be hauled away. November 20th, 2013. They're paving the parking lot this morning. Smell of blacktop in the air. Block layers are busy laying block for the building. The address of this new store is 315 East Main Street in Kingwood, West Virginia. Property is owned by AutoZone Development Corporation in Memphis, Tennessee. 0.899 acres. December 5th, 2013. Laying blocks for the building. A dog for my birthday, and we would walk and watch the construction as it happened. December 15th, 2013. They poured the floor Friday in the cold and worked on it in the snow on Saturday. January 18, 2014. They put the metal beams in yesterday. They have had a hard battle with the cold. January 31st, 2014. The weather is finally back to normal. They started working on AutoZone again today. 38 degrees with 7 to 10 miles per hour. February 24th, 2014. 26 degrees out. AutoZone workers working on the roof, clearing the snow off and adding insulation, while another crew continues to put the metal strips on the inside of the block walls. On March 7th, 2014, National Crane arrived and lifted 2 heating cooling units to the roof. They started to stucco the exterior. Things are going much faster since the weather improved. 46 degrees out. They're projecting to finish by the end of April. March 16th, 2014. The windows are installed on Saturday afternoon and finished on Sunday. 29 degrees and snowy once again. At least now they can heat the building and work on the inside. OnPower is removing the old transformer and cutting the pole top off. They're putting the new transformer on the new pole. Parking lots being paved today in the places they did in concrete. They redid the entrance and section of the sidewalk. March 18th, 2014. OnPower putting the cross arm on the pole for AutoZone. March 21st, 2014. Mon Power. Hot wire transferring at AutoZone today. Dad stopped to check on his old friends, Radar, and a couple others. They were waiting on Rick to arrive. A gutter company also was putting gutters up, and some other companies working in different areas. April 8th, 2014, City Crane is putting up the lighted lettering on the front of the building. The AutoZone sign arrived. City Crane's getting ready to lift it up on the tall sign pole. They're putting the top half of the sign pole up. Three guys, three ladders. Painting orange stripes and trimming the gray on the front of the building. Yesterday, the paving was completed and the parking spaces were painted. April 25th, 2014. City Crane, adding lights to the AutoZone sign. On April 26, 2014, AutoZone had its first AutoZone truck delivery of parts this morning. This evening, a crew installed a 4-foot fence and guardrails along the access road to the back undeveloped lot. The store's getting closer to opening. Main Street as you look up the hill toward AutoZone. April 10th, 2014. The new AutoZone sign view and the top of the store on the left as you come up the hill from the post office on Main Street. We found these two, shopping at AutoZone, then Advance, in Kingwood. They follow each other. Smokey and the Bandit look-alikes. The brown car even has a sheriff's decal on the side and blue license plate. Black car is a Trans Am. This is Chris from Utah. He works for a company that goes around building buildings for companies like AutoZone, Walmart, dollar stores. He was in charge of building this Kingwood AutoZone. He had a very tough weather conditions when building Kingwood. He's back to finish up a punch list that needs finished. He's built another AutoZone in Virginia since Kingwood. He's moving on to building a Walmart in Southern State next, and that store has been open for a month or so. City Neon painting AutoZone's sign pole. Used to be a big treat to have barbecue and Kona ice at AutoZone at the same time. Used to be a good spot for food trucks. In 2019, it's getting repainted. Old paint scraped off and new paint being applied. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to get notified, like and share.